Embracing solitude, the peaceful harmony of nature. In the heart of the jungle, where towering trees stand as sentinels and rivers carve timeless paths, life reveals its purest essence. Here, surrounded by the unspoiled beauty of nature, solitude is not loneliness but a gentle embrace from the earth itself. The jungle hums with life, chirping birds, rustling leaves, and the distant murmur of a stream weaving its melody into the fabric of the wild. The air, rich with the scent of damp earth and blossoms, feels alive, as though breathing with you. In this sacred silence, away from the clamor of the world, you begin to hear the whispers of your soul and the heartbeat of the universe. By the riverside, the water flows with effortless grace, reflecting the golden hues of the sun or the silver glow of the moon. Sitting there, you feel time slow down. The rush of daily life fades, replaced by the steady rhythm of the current. It's as if the river carries away your worries, leaving you with nothing but peace. Nature's love is unconditional. It reveals itself in the way sunlight filters through the canopy, creating intricate patterns on the forest floor. It's in the gentle touch of a breeze that cools your skin and the symphony of life that plays endlessly around you. In such moments, you discover the profound beauty of being alone, not in isolation, but in unity with the world around you. The jungle and river teach you to be still, to listen, and to feel. They remind you that peace is not something to be chased but something to be found within, just as nature quietly thrives without seeking applause. To stay in the embrace of nature is to find love in its purest form, a love that asks for nothing, yet gives everything. It is here, in this quiet communion, that you realize the world's beauty is mirrored in your own heart, and the peace you seek was always within you.